Kogi State train station, ambush and abduction. There is a plot of attack, ambush and abduction in Kogi State train station. This abduction will be worse than that of the Chibok girls. There will be brutal killing and beheading of the victims. Videos of such brutal killings will be posted on social media by the abductors. The governor and government of Kogi State should send more security men to the stations and quickly mount cameras at strategic positions of the train station. The armed forces sent to this location should dress casual, as they are the first target. They should disguise as ordinary men to confuse these abductors. The security agency will prevail over the abductors if proper measures are put in place. This action is aimed at sabotaging the efforts of the governor and the government to keep the state in peace and progress. The Spirit of the Lord revealed, the mouth of the Lord has spoken, the hand of the Lord has done it. Kindly share until it gets to the government and governor of Kogi State. God bless you.